Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sofia, and today my mom is gonna do a Costco haul vlog. If you sure like the video, give it a big thumbs up and support me. And like the video. Let's get to it. Hey guys, I'll show you what I really like. Over here is the Baby Yoda ones. Let's see, let me get one. This one. It's Baby Yoda.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys what we got. We got the Pendleton Home Collections 3 queen size blankets, super soft, really nice. And Sophia already showed you guys her favorite, which was Baby Yoda. We got 2 of those. And we got some Chobani Greek yogurt. Of course, this is the reason we went in there. We actually just went in there for this, for the suja. This is really good. We got 2 of those, and then we got a Fila sweater, really nice, right here, which was like a really good deal. They were only $5. This is what it looks like. Super cute. And then we got a pajama set, a 3-piece. It's got shorts and it's got the pants and then it's got 1 shirt. And this also was, this was $6. And then it's starting to get cold, so that's why we got all this other stuff. I got these Jane and Blecker slipper socks, and then they have like the little rubbery stuff. Super soft, and these were I want to say 4 something. They were also on sale. And then we got a Puma hoodie. It's like this. Really nice. And also this was on sale. I think it was, how much was this, Aiden? The hoodie, it's like $15. You can't really see it here on the camera, but it's really nice. And then we got another sweater. It's a hoodie, but it's got a zipper. Buffalo, very nice, very soft and warm. This one's heavier, and I think this was about $20. And of course, like always, croissants. This is like a mandatory thing. So yeah, that's it. Baby Yoda, blankets, sweaters for the winter, juice, yogurt. Oh.
But guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you give it a big thumbs up and support me. And give a like, share, and subscribe. And click the notification bell if you like the video. Bye!